7 Side Effects of Drinking Beetroot Juice. Over the next few minutes you'll discover 7 side effects of drinking beetroot juice. Make sure you stay tuned till the end. Today, I will be revealing to you 7 side effects of drinking beetroot juice. If you are new here, consider subscribing to our channel so that you won't miss other interesting videos like this, and you will also be notified whenever we upload a new video. Though beetroot juice is healthy and nutritious, it may not be suitable for all. For instance, beetroots have a high content of oxalates. These compounds combine with calcium in the body and may eventually lead to kidney stones. Excess intake of beetroot can also cause the accumulation of metal ions in the liver. Though people can safely eat beets and drink juice in most cases, it is important to know the negative effects as well. In this post, we have highlighted the potential side effects of beetroot juice. What are the side effects of drinking beetroot juice? 1. Might cause beeturia. Beeturia is characterized by the discoloration of urine following the intake of beets or foods colored with beetroots. Urine may range from pink to deep red, and this condition could be prevalent in about 14% of the population and have increased frequency in those with iron deficiency. A study conducted on 8 individuals showed that the intake of beetroot juice supplements could lead to beeturia in all but 1 individual. For the majority, beeturia happens to be a harmless phenomenon that resolves on its own once the individual reduces the intake of beet juice. 2. May increase kidney stone risk. According to clinical nutrition research, beets are rich in oxalate and may contribute to stone formation. If you already have stones, your doctor might recommend you to stop or reduce beetroot juice consumption. There are 4 types of kidney stones, with calcium being the most common of all. The mineral can combine with other substances, especially oxalate, and form a stone. Beetroot is high in oxalate and can directly contribute to kidney stones. It increases urinary oxalate excretion, which can lead to the development of calcium oxalate stones. 2. May cause anaphylaxis. Though rare, beetroot may cause anaphylaxis, which is an acute allergic reaction to an allergen to which the body has become hypersensitive. In a study, a young girl complained of urticaria, red rashes on the skin that itch intensely, sometimes leading to dangerous swelling, and asthma after ingesting boiled beetroot. The girl also experienced hives, throat tightness, and bronchospasm. She has advised a diet free of beetroot, and she had no symptoms again. 4. May cause colored stools. Beetroot and foods with red coloring may cause stools to appear reddish. There is some evidence that beetroot may also cause black and tarry stools due to the presence of altered blood. Dark and tarry stools could also be a symptom of beeturia. You may want to visit your doctor and discuss your recent dietary choices and history of similar events. 5. May cause a stomach upset. Beetroot contains nitrates. According to a publication by the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services, exposure to high levels of nitrates may lead to abdominal cramps. The juice may also cause stomach problems in some people. Beetroot and certain other foods contain nitrates, which are converted to nitrites upon ingestion. 6. May cause problems during pregnancy. The nitrates in beets may cause a problem here. Pregnant women are more sensitive to the effects of nitrate. This can be attributed to the natural increase of methemoglobin levels in the blood during the later stage of pregnancy. Excess nitrate can lead to methemoglobinemia, elevated levels of methemoglobin in the blood, causing symptoms like lack of energy, headache, dizziness, blue-gray coloration of skin around the eyes, mouth, lips, hands, and feet. Though most epidemiological studies of pregnant women having elevated nitrate levels in their groundwater did not show any negative effects on their offspring, one study found an association between dietary nitrates and an increase in neural tube defects. 7. Might harm the liver. Studies suppose that extreme intake of table beetroot may cause several disturbances not only in healthy patients but also in those dealing with metal-accumulating diseases. Excess intake of the veggie can cause the accumulation of metal ions in the liver. How much of beetroot juice is too much? There are limited research and no official recommendation regarding the safe dosage of beetroot juice. Hence, it is best to consult with your doctor. A note on Super Beets. Super Beets is a popular health supplement that allegedly lowers blood pressure and improves circulation. It is made of beetroots that are dehydrated into crystals. There only is one study about Super Beets, and concrete evidence on its efficacy to lower blood pressure is lacking. The supplement may lower blood pressure levels, but more research is warranted. Most testimonials from people state that the supplement can lower blood pressure levels. However, certain others reported no benefits. Exact information on Super Beets is lacking. If you are vulnerable to the side effects of beetroot juice, the supplement could do more harm than good. Hence, it is imperative to discuss this with your doctor. Beetroot juice is replete with important nutrients, but its excess intake can cause undesirable effects. Since the ideal dosage of beetroot juice is not established, we suggest you check with your doctor. If you have kidney stones, please refrain from having beets in any form. If you enjoyed watching this video, give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, comment below and let us know what you think, and also hit the subscribe button never to miss any updates from us. More amazing secrets and tips will keep coming. Join us on the healthy side of life. Look at your screen now to see 2 other videos we have handpicked for you to enjoy next. Stay healthy.